Good morning, folks. This is Greg with Southern Star Roofing. We're out here this morning at Lake Lure, North Carolina. We're doing a house for a customer here, and we're tearing off the shingle roof, and we're going to be installing new standing seam metal panels. So I just wanted to let you guys see here. The guy's in the process of tearing off, and it is a steep pitch roof, and they are all tied off. And so I just wanted to show you the job in progress. They're up there tearing off right now, getting all the shingles off. This house, like I said, is out of here at Lake Lure, North Carolina. And the shingles are coming off, and we're going to put a standing seam metal roof on the house. So just kind of wanted to show you what the house is. So, this is the house, and this is the other side of the house. So this will be like a 2-day project for the crew, with taking that off and putting new standing seam metal roofs on. So if you guys have any roofing needs or want free inspections, you can reach us at 828-844-ROOF, or you can get us online at www.southernstarroofing.com for all your roofing needs. Have a great day.